Claw versus broom. The claw wins. Jackhammer joyride. Don't try this. Longest tape measure ever. Kitchen goals. Rock and roll. Literally shaking rocks. Human groundhog. Job site fun. Charging fail. Technology hates you today. Giant tile snack. Cement overload. Concrete smoothing. Looking fresh and clean. Night farming. Bright lights, big tractor. Excavator wheelie. Showing off skills. Gas station karma. Watch the hose. Making brushes. Wire brush factory vibes. Raincoat for the excavator. Stay dry. Popcorn ceiling removal. Satisfying work. Pole painting. Fast and steady. Drive-through hedge trimming. Innovation. Smoothing asphalt. Flat as a pancake. Cabinet speed run. Technology is fast. Birthday surprise. Teeth optional at 102. Truck or submarine. Deep water crossing. Rebar parkour. Construction site workout. Baseboard sanding. Smooth moves only. Surprise skylight. Kitchen ceiling down. Bison kiss.
I don't know. I don't think
Car wash, wildlife style. Wood splitter fail. Timber. Mud wrestling tractor. Almost made it. AC unit spinning. Cool and crazy. Bridge jump fail.
No!
Gravity wins again. Tire check. Human versus machine. Metal pulling. Heavy duty work. Kitchen chiropractor. Neck crack fail. Pipe dream nightmare. Watch out below. Mud rescue. Big machine helping small. High bridge digging. Terrifying view. Roof skateboard fail. Ouch, that hurt.
Oh no, l'anima.
Boat fishing fail. Cages overboard. Tractor loading. Smooth landing there. Warehouse trip.
How?
Watch your step. Mixing concrete soup. Hard work. Turf grooming. Lawn looks perfect now. Stunt fail. Living room acrobatics gone wrong.
I don't know if we can balance.
Flying tractor. Up, up, and away. Ice bubbles. Nature's art. Door break fail. Too much strength. Boat splash crash. Wet and wild. Roof flying away. Goodbye, housetop.
Putain, le toit de la maison.
Hiking trip. Literally a trip. Garage door 1, van 0. Wall power washing. Super satisfying. Excavator buried. Time for a rescue.
Mr. George. How much you pay for the
Ladder fail. Hold on tight. Chainsaw tree battle. Tree wins. Dip and paint. Efficient board painting. Slicing wood like absolute butter. Timber. And a free bath. Measuring twice, cutting, whatever that is. Face full of lunch. Brutal. Bat versus machine.
A baseball bat.
Machine wins. That's one way to lose teeth. Gravity always wins, skater boy.
Whoa, Taylor.
OSHA's favorite break room chair. Water barrel 1, hoops 0. Nature's bidet is aggressive today. Wardrobe malfunction at 100%. Precision drilling? More like luck. You missed a spot. Everywhere. Instant karma from the machine. Demolition day went sideways fast.
With a stack of truck.
Confidence level falling through floor.
So my skin is so thick, and I'm confident now. Do I know I need to lose weight? 1000%. Do I think I'm ugly?
Deep snow, even deeper regret. That chair just gave up. Taping lines is clearly optional. Ghost Rider's bridge is lit. Jackhammering in a literal hole. Trampoline or hidden trapdoor?
Some party.
Excavator taking a quick dip. Tire change gone horribly wrong. Ironing while driving? Absolute genius. Brick Jenga is getting intense. Digging yourself into a hole. Chain climbing, the new CrossFit. Delivery guy 1, homeowner 0. Professional wall slapping technique here. Spiders, the construction worker's kryptonite.
A big spider in the kitchen, can you kill it?
Multitasking or just plain dangerous. Rain 1, architectural integrity 0.
来た。
Calculated risk, uncalculated outcome. Ceiling hole or new skylight? Just hanging around on site. Dirt nap incoming. Watch out. Mixing gravel with 0 effort. Fast food, agricultural edition. Horse said, "Get off me." Concrete is very unforgiving today. Milk it for all it's worth. Cuddling is part of the contract. Ninja moves in the backyard. Horsepower doesn't mean smart power.
See.
Dragon's breath on the job. Plate stacking like a total pro. Piano tuning gone horribly wrong. Stuck between a wall and tape.
Totuși mi se pare cam mult. Ții-mă bine acolo?
Eu țin-o bine.
Super fast loading technique. Class is in session, unfortunately. Safety goggles? Never heard of them. Compensating for something, big guy? Log loading like a boss. Crank that engine, Flintstone style. Wipe out. Ocean 1, human 0. Physics 1, grandma 0.
Mom, are you okay? I told you.
Premium parking right there. That's a close shave, literally. Taco Bell night consequences.
And right now,
Gravity is a cruel mistress. Redneck lawn care level 100. Timber. There goes the neighborhood. Interior heating works too well. Wedding day turns into WWE. Rebar Jenga looks dangerous. Dentist visit gone wrong. 1800s called, they want it back. Cleaning or destroying the floor? Ghost in the machine? Gravity. Ice, the ultimate humble pie. Tipping over on the job. Satisfying or terrifying? Forklift shed delivery, maybe? Hammer time, then repair time. That truck is fighting for life. Office chair ejection seat active. Journey to the Earth's center. Leverage is your best friend. DIY wall removal gone south. Motorcycle farming? That's new. What in the Mad Max? Sandcastle prep in progress. Heavy machinery tag team.
Your forks back!
Fixing cars with brute force. Satisfying rap hack, bro. Snow biking is just falling.
Oh, Clay! Woo!
Concrete nap? Don't recommend. Hot seat. Literally. Bunk. Watch the perimeter. Forbidden sparklers. Cleaning tiles like a pro. Catapulted by a palm tree.
Ay, Dios santo.
Giant chain needs giant hammer. Mask machine go BRRR. Pull up R1, human 0.
Prerano si rekao, dobro.
Glass shower, no water. Slimed. Where's the Ghostbusters? Mixing chicken,
Here we
making
go.
a
We're
mess.
going to try and shred the chicken.
Brick stacking champion right here. Wood pants? Talk about splinters. Mud bath gone too far. That's many bad decisions. Light show beatdown. Oops, there goes the engine.